but you don't feel like I do.
What is up, you guys? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Melva, simply Melva that is, and your girl is back with another video. Yes, I am back with another video. If you are new here, hey girl, hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And if you are a returning subscriber, what's up? So y'all, today is gonna be like a day in the life type vlog. I really wasn't sure like what kind of video I was gonna do, y'all. I don't want to do like repetitive content, so that's why I'm trying to actually start planning out my videos. But right now I'm sitting in the parking lot at Walmart. I needed to come in here and get some number one, I need to get some hairspray, and then I need to get some stuff for laundry. So yeah, y'all, it is currently 12:34. Solomon gets out of school at around 2:30ish, and then Joshua goes to work at like 3. So Jamaria is at home with Josh, so I just wanted to come out and get this done while Joshua is still at home. So yeah, y'all, come with me. Oh, thanks. So I'm back from the store. I got my receipt, so I'm going to scan my receipt with my Fetch Rewards app. If you guys are not into Fetch Rewards, basically you scan all your receipts, eating out, Walmart, Target, anything, gas, all that stuff, and you get a percentage. Well, you earn reward points. Yeah. You earn reward points, and then you can cash those points in for gift cards, and I think you can get cash. Like, I'm not sure if you can get cash, but yeah, I do need to find that out. But I would basically just be redeeming mine for gift cards. So anyway, let me go ahead and do my little scan. And it reads like the store, the total, and the date. Even if you have old receipts, you can scan those receipts and get points for those old receipts. You'll probably get like 25 points. It just all depends. And then I even saw on here like I just got 25 points. I don't know if y'all can see that. I just got 25 points for that receipt. But it was a receipt Joshua had, and I got like, what was it, Josh? Was it like 800 and something points? Because they have, like, if you can see, like the Jimmy Dean sausage, you can get 1,000 points. Those vitamins, you can get like 3,000 points. Like certain stuff like that, it'll scan your read your receipt. And we had like the Jimmy Dean sausage on there. We had I think biscuits and stuff like that, and I had got like a lot of points for that too. So anyway, saying all that to say, if you are interested in signing up for Fetch Rewards, make sure you check my description box so you can sign up with my code so you can get some points and I can get some points too. So yeah, y'all, every little bit helps, and I'm gonna scan my receipt. UK, Australia, and get your first purchase from Blueland for 15% off by clicking in my link below. Hey y'all, so I'm sitting here watching Chrissy Marie on YouTube and scrolling on Instagram all at the same time. I just got done folding up those clothes. It is currently 1:44, so here in a little bit I'm gonna go, well, I'm gonna go with Joshua, maybe, because it sounds like it's thundering outside, to go get Solomon from school. Y'all, as I was scrolling on Instagram, child, Wingstop coming out with chicken sandwiches, 12 flavors. That's gonna be interesting. Look, that's gonna be interesting because I love their chicken wings. Oh, and their rolls, y'all. Good. Did Jamarie fall asleep? Are he still awake? Yeah, okay. Yeah, Joshua got Jamarie in the back in the room watching cartoons and stuff. I'm already tired, y'all. Oh, I feel sleepy, but I've been sweating. I need to take a shower. But I still got those clothes over there to do. I'm gonna do the white clothes next, and then I'm gonna do another load of color clothes, and then I'm gonna do that brown blanket by itself. So yeah, y'all. Oh, and then on the menu for today, I'm going to cook some fish and french fries and Caesar salad. So that's what's on the menu today. I might show you guys that. Y'all, it'd be so hard trying to record and do all of this stuff all at the same time and not be tired. But yeah, y'all, that's what I got going on. So I'll come back to you guys here in a little bit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my video. And this is me.
Can't nobody hear what you saying. Hey y'all, so Solomon just made it home. How was your day at school?
Good.
Solomon, can't nobody hear you jumping around and can't talk to him. Tell him how your day at school was.
My day at school was good.
Okay, okay. Well, that's good.
And guess what, guys?
What?
I got these family goblin 4 things. I'm just gonna watch. Like when I put it on and smash it, it'll like go off.
Oh, okay.
And then it goes like that.
Okay. Yeah, y'all, so Solomon is home from school. Jamarie is down in the living room for a nap. Joshua is about to get ready to go to work, and I am about to start seasoning the fish. So let's head to the kitchen. Okay, y'all, so the seasoning I'm gonna use on my fish, I got it right here in this bowl, is seasonal, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. Y'all, if y'all see me keep looking over there, I'm trying to keep an eye on Jamarie, because Lord, he wakes up at the drop of a hair. So yeah. I'm just basically letting my grease for my fish warm up, heat up, and for the French fries. And then we're gonna do the Caesar salad. And oh, after I season my fish, I use this fish fry, the Louisiana fish fry. Thank you. Have a good day. So yeah, Jamarie just woke up. So, hey, Maya. Hey, Mama.
Yep, guys, we're brothers.
Hey, Maya. He looking like, what is going on?
He's like, what?
He see his brother home, so.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh. Let me pick him up, y'all. In a minute. Say hey, y'all. Marie. Jamarie. Jamarie. Say hey, y'all. Say hey, y'all. You gonna smile for him? No. You got the blanket marks on the side of your face. Saya, he's just waking up. You gotta give him time. My baby's so congested. Yeah, me. Yeah, me.
Let's go. Harry.
Boy. Here, guys, this is Solomon's plate. He has his fish, Caesar salad, and his French fries, and a little Kool-Aid jammer. It's okay, Pop. I'm almost finished. I'm almost finished. Y'all, I just got a little bit, I think, what, 3 more fish frying and a little batch of French fries, and then I'll be able to get him. I probably, I probably won't be able to eat. I honestly probably won't be able to eat until Joshua gets home, so we'll probably eat together. I don't know. It all depends, y'all. I'm hot. I'm tired. I still got some clothes watching Rochelle Chanel on YouTube, and yeah, y'all. I think I'm going to go ahead and end this video and start a new one. So if you guys are new here and you like what you see, please make sure you give me a like and hit the subscribe button, and drop your girl a comment. It doesn't matter if it's an emoji, hey girl, hey, bye, I'm here watching, anything, y'all. It does help push my videos out. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.